Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your RAM type, whether it's like DDR4, 3, or 5 on your Windows PC. And then also you'll need to know the speed. So when you actually go and buy your CPU, you're getting something of similar speed because it's just going to default to the slow speed, I believe, with your plugged in RAM. So it's best to get something similar to the one you already have if you're upgrading. So, using a couple different software, we can find this. Now, the first one here, you can find the speed off of this one, and this is just go down the bottom, search, task, manager, open this up. You probably use this. Used to be Control to delete in the past. I think it still is. So we can go over to performance, go to memory right here, and the nice thing about this is we can see our utilization for our memory. So this is how I knew I had to upgrade because I only had 32 gigabytes of memory, and I probably was at like 70 or 80% just, uh, having just a few tabs open in Brave. So under here, you can see the speed located right there on the bottom. So you can see the speed. So this is something similar you want to buy with your new one. So if you're on Amazon, you're looking through here, it'd probably be best to get something similar. Otherwise, if you go way too high, well, you could probably get something a little bit less expensive. Otherwise, you might just want to completely upgrade to a bunch of new different RAM sticks because it's just going to default to the speed of the RAM that you already have plugged in. And then we want to get this other software to find whether it's DDR4 or 5 or 3 or whatever. And mine is probably going to be DDR4, I believe. So let's go over to Brave and open up one of these many different tabs I have open. And we can just go to the good old Google or Bing or DuckDuckGo or wherever you're using nowadays. Or if you're really old school, go to yahoo.com. SPU ID is what you want to type in. Just like that. Press enter. What did I say? SPU. It's CPU ID. So CPU ID right here. And then open up this link. And here's the direct URL, cpuid.com. Very easy. I like it when it's easy here. Go on down to Windows or Android. Windows. Set up English. Very easy to set up. Now, when you open this up, this is what we're going to see. So we got CPU. This is a great way to find your information about your computer just in general. So you can see I have a Ryzen 7, my main board, my motherboard, BE450M. Here's my memory. So initially it says DDR4 memory, 48 gigabytes. Now it's going to say your DRM frequency. That is going to be your speed, but it's not going to be your speed yet. You have to times it by 2. So you can see this number like 1,648 something. If I go on over to Task Manager, should be about something similar. I don't know. Something similar right there. So just times this by 2, and that will be the speed of your RAM sticks. Then you can go ahead and upgrade. So just look at this, and this times it by 2, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.